Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Khushboo's top 5 waterfalls scenes. Khushboo is an Indian actress who works in South Indian cinema. She has appeared in over 185 films in her film career. She has done a lot of river water scenes in films. Here are the list of top 5 waterfall scenes of Khushboo in films. At number 5, Yuga Purusha. This waterfall scene of Khushboo was picturized for the film Yuga Purusha. It is a 1989 Kannada film directed by D. Rajendra Babu. Khushboo was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer R. Madhusudan. Khushboo has done a very glamorous role in the film. At number 4, Kilakku Karai. This waterfall scene of Khushboo was picturized for the film Kilakku Karai. It is a 1991 Tamil film directed by P. Vasu. Khushboo was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Ravinder. Khushboo played a village girl in the film and her performance was appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 3, Pundaraganda. This waterfall scene of Khushboo was picturized for the song sequence for the film Pundaraganda. It is a 1990 Kannada film directed by P. Raju. Khushboo was beautifully picturized and aesthetically picturized by the cinematographer Sundarnath Suvarna. This film later dubbed into Telugu film as Nagashakti. Although this film did not do well at the box office, but Khushboo's performance was highly appreciated by both critics and audience. At number 2, Anubhuti. This waterfall scene of Khushboo was picturized for the song sequence for the film Anubhuti. It is a 1997 Malayalam film directed by I.V. Shashi. Khushboo was beautifully picturized and aesthetically picturized by the cinematographer Sri Shankar. Khushboo played a role Uttara Tamburati in the film and her performance was highly appreciated by both critics and audience. This title song was a huge hit among the audience. Number 1, Ranadhira. This waterfall scene of Khushboo was picturized for the song sequence for the film Ranadhira. It is a 1988 Kannada film directed by V. Ravichandran. Khushboo was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer R. Madhusudan. This video is dedicated to Khushboo, the glamorous queen of South Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again from Indian Actress Paradise.